Never melt.
No.
This one is liquid soldering, right?
Pasted solder.
Paste. But this one is for the like the board not balanced, then must melt it, then make it balanced again.
We making the ball, the solder ball here. So
for
those,
the balance or what?
those ball going to connect the two layer,
Oh.
the upper layer and lower layer.
But this one is to connect to electric one.
Yeah.
Oh, so must make it balance back, connect everything together.
Correct.
Funny, after you heat, the color will
It makes the ball.
change to white color.
Yeah, it making the ball, solder ball.
Oh.
So it will become like silver color.
So wherever you change the board not come together one must make it balance.
Yes, we need to join like this.
哦，很高啊，这个是对的。刚才那个就看到蒙小姐，很高。
我以为是liquid soldering还是什么？
对呀，他做很高一样的啦。他本来是那个。
他也跟你讲是铁吗？我刚才跟你解释是一样，只是说他的名我搞错去。